The 2015 Acura TLX Prototype. Acura is preparing to replace the lackluster TL with the new TLX Performance Luxury Sedan. The first preview of the car, the TLX Prototype, made its debut today at the 2014 Detroit Auto Show. The new TLX will feature a sportier look than the TL that it replaces, and it will be offered with two all-new engines that will deliver more power and improved fuel economy. Both engines will mate to an all-new advanced transmission that drives either two wheels or all four wheels. On top of the new drivetrain, Acura also announced that the model will carry a new design language, a roomier cabin than the one offered in the TL, and lots of new technology. The new TLX will be put on sale in mid-2014, which also happens to be the same time that Acura will give the axe treatment to the unsuccessful TSX. This will leave company to motor on with just 3 sedans, ILX, TLX and RLX. Click past the jump to read more about the 2015 Acura TLX Prototype. Exterior. The TLX Prototype, unveiled at the 2014 Detroit Auto Show, is painted athletic red pearl and features 20-inch alloy wheels in a 5-spoke design. These rollers are wrapped in 265 35ths ZR20 low-profile tires. The prototype will be offered with some of the design features we've seen in many other models launched by Acura, like Acura's signature dual-eye LED headlights. Along with these updates, the new TLX will also be offered with shortened front and rear overhangs, dynamically sculpted fender arches, a sculpted hood with sharply creased bilateral ridgelines. When compared to the model it replaces, the TLX Prototype is 3.8 inches shorter, but retains the same 109.3-inch wheelbase, which allows for ample cargo capacity and comfortable seating for 5 adults. This is, of course, just a prototype, but we don't expect to see the final model stray far from this design. Interior. No details were revealed on the TLX's interior, but Acura interiors have been on the upswing with all of its newest models, so we expect the TLX to be no different. Drivetrain. Under its hood, the new TLX has 2 engine options, an all-new 2.4-liter, 16-valve, inline 4-cylinder engine and a 3.5-liter, SOHC, V6 engine. The V6 engine mates to a new 9-speed automatic transmission with closely spaced gear ratios and a wide overall ratio range, while the 4-cylinder engine is mated to an all-new 8-speed, dual-clutch transmission (DCT) with torque converter. Both engines can be combined with the next generation of Acura Precision All-Wheel Steer (PAWS) technology with independent left and right rear wheel tow control, while the V6 version can be combined with Acura's signature Super Handling all-wheel drive technology. There are no performance numbers available as of yet, but we're sure Acura will release them as the production model gets closer to its release date. Prices. The 2015 TLX will be put on sale later this year. Prices will be announced at a later date. Competition. Infiniti Q50. The Infiniti Q50 made its world debut at the 2013 Detroit Auto Show when it replaced the G sedan. The model adopted Infiniti's new Q naming strategy, where the Q means it is a sedan and 50 marking its place in Infiniti's lineup. The Q50 is offered with 2 powertrains, a 3.7-liter, V6 engine that delivers a total of 328 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque, and a hybrid version that combines a 3.5-liter V6 with an innovative 1-motor, 2-clutch motor control. Lexus S. When compared to the Acura TL, the Lexus S had lots of advantages: roomier, quieter, smoother riding, more stylish and equipped with far better technology. As we have no idea about the improvements offered by the TLX, we cannot tell if the S will retain its advantages. The S is offered with either a 3.5-liter V6 engine or a hybrid powertrain featuring 2.5-liter 4-cylinder Atkinson cycle engine. Acura Tl History. The new TLX will replace the current Acura TL, which was first unveiled in 1995. Since then, the TL went through 4 generations. The first generation was produced between 1996 and 1998 when it offered two different engines, a 2.5-liter version with 176 horsepower and a more powerful 3.2-liter with 200 horsepower. The second generation was unveiled in 1999 and remained into production until 2003. The model was offered with a newly designed, 3.2-liter engine that delivered a total of 225 horsepower. In 2003 Acura unveiled the third-generation TL. This version was powered by a 3.2-liter, V6 engine with an output of 270 horsepower. This engine was mated to either a 5-speed automatic with sport shift or 6-speed manual. The fourth and final generation TL was unveiled in 2008. The base TL was offered with a 3.5-liter, V6 engine that makes 280 horsepower, while the TL Type S was powered by a 3.7-liter, V6 that produces 305 horsepower. Conclusion: the TL was not a perfect fit in Acura's current lineup, so it was just a matter of time before the automaker replaced it. The new TLX looks sportier and a lot more like it belongs in the lineup. Additionally, the new platform means that Acura gets a clean slate to add all of the newest technology to. Love it. Looks pretty cool. That red paint is something we want into production. 9-speed transmission. So long TL, you will not be missed. Leave it not the real deal just yet.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.